We will make this beautiful flower earring today. So I have made one, so the other one I am going to make with you. We will first of all look into the things we need. So I am using these two colors of yarn and 1.5 millimeter crochet hook and the pair of scissors and the plier, the yarn needle, jump ring and the hook ear wire. So these are the things we need. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with this color. So we need to start with the magic ring. Then we need to work 5 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn and pull through the magic ring. Then you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now I have completed 5 single crochet into the magic ring. Then to close the magic ring you have to pull this tail. Pull this tail tight, close the magic ring. Okay, then we need to put a slip stitch to the first single crochet we have done. So this is the first single crochet. So insert the hook into the first single crochet and grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round and then we are going to start the second round with the other color. So I'm using this color for that. So we need to start with a slip knot and pull the new color loop through the previous loop, and then you can pull this yarn to tighten it up, and we are going to start with the new color. Then you need to put a slip stitch to the next stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch and make sure you are working over all these tails, and grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Now you need to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then make 4 trebles to the same stitch. One, two, three, and 4. Then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then put a slip stitch to the same stitch. Now we have completed one petal. Then I will make the other one also with you. So insert the hook into the next stitch and put a slip stitch, like this, and chain 3 and make 4 trebles. One, two, three, and 4. Now again chain 3 and put a slip stitch to the same stitch, and then to start the next petal, put a slip stitch to the next stitch. So likewise you need to make all 5 petals, another 3 to be completed. So complete them and meet me back. Now I have almost completed it, so you can cut these 2 tails carefully, and then we are going to put the last slip stitch. Okay, then pull the yarn and cut it off. Then take your yarn needle and insert that into the next petal. Then you can cut the excess piece of yarn. Now we have completed our flower. So we will insert the jump ring and the hook ear wire into this. So take your plier and open up the jump ring and insert that into a stitch on the top of a petal. And you can insert the hook ear wire into that and just close it. Now we have completed the earring. So I hope I have explained it clearly for you. So if you have any question regarding making this, you can ask on the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.